Afternoon, it's Jeremiah Mobility 316. There's one mobility dealer out here on July 3rd doing super detailed videos in this 100-degree heat to show you exactly what you're getting. That's us here at Mobility 316. Check out this 2022 Kia sold brand new rear entry conversion. I can operate this entire conversion with just two fingers. I pinch and I flip. I got a handle over here again. Two fingers, all it takes. Pinch, flip it over. Check out the super simple to use manual ramp. I can take it to the ground using only my index fingers. Folks, I know a lot of you are busy, don't have 20 minutes to watch this full detailed video. Brand new tires, free shipping, got this under $40,000, free Carfax, 6-month nationwide bumper-to-bumper warranty, good at the shop, your choice, under $40,000. Our competitors sell this for 50 to 60 grand, folks. We're killing their prices. Go check out their prices. You'll see exactly what I mean. 33-inch wide ramp. You got about 51 inches of headroom coming inside the van, then about 52 inches once you're inside the van. We got you the upgraded Q-strength tie downs. Our competitors are going to charge you $800 to upgrade to those. We throw them in at no charge to you. Headliner's in great shape here. Got your spare tire over there. It's got it bungee corded in here. If you want us to make a special stand there, a special prop we can put it on, we can do so custom. It's going to be going to cost a little bit extra money to do that. You can see right now as it sits. I don't know if you want to deal with this every day, but you can at least pull this out, put it in your garage. Got any spare tires and tools there and everything else. No one else in the country makes sure the spare tire comes in these. This one sure does. So be sure you're factoring in everything when you're checking out these vehicles. All right. Get your nice dash up here, everything's super clean. Your steering wheel controls to keep your eyes on the road. You can sync up your phone. Got our lane departure warning on this. We got our blind spot monitor. I'll show you a little more about that. Got your backup camera, touch screen. Even got a moonroof. I'll get all this momentarily. And it's got a nationwide conversion on the warranty, nationwide warranty on the conversion as well. Oops, I didn't mean to slam that. Here, let's put it up the right way. Slipped off of my finger. It's so easy and so light. Slipped out of my finger. That's how we're supposed to do it there. All right, clamp it down, you're ready to go. And a lot of the big box stores are going to tell you things like, hey, you got to buy from us here at Mobility Works so we can service this conversion at any of our 100 locations. Folks, simply not true. These conversions are pretty much bulletproof, especially the manual ones are. And United Access, Mobility Works, they would love to service your vehicle. It's a major source of revenue for them. Don't be tricked into spending $10,000 too much by that used car dealer. This is a GT. The sporty version, got your alloy wheels. We put 4 brand new tires on, some brand spanking new tires on this van. Here's the view from inside the passenger side over here, all right? Let's do my walk around here. I'm looking for little nicks, dents, scratches in the paint. Small little spot of touch-up paint there. Hey, full transparency here. We show you everything. And you hear me talk all the time how we can save you $10,000 on your wheelchair accessible vehicles. How we do it is simple. It's low overhead. I started this company 14 years ago and I had one goal in mind. I want to produce the highest quality wheelchair vans in the country at the absolute lowest cost. I said, how am I going to do that? I'm not going to copy United Access. Mobility Works superior. With their dozens to hundreds of locations, they literally have millions of dollars more in overhead every month, not every year, every month that we don't have. That's why they have to charge so much for their vans. So I said, what I'm going to do, and their SUVs, you name it. So I said, what I'm going to do 5 simple steps to crush their pricing but still be able to service the entire country. So number 1, I'm going to start a dealership right in the middle of the country, in the Midwest. Low cost of living means low overhead. It means I can keep my prices low here in Wichita, Kansas. Being right in the middle of the country, I can offer free shipping in the lower 48 states to service the entire country. Number 3, I'm going to do super detailed videos like you're watching right now to fully educate you about the condition of the vehicle, how the conversion works, talk measurements, show you the Carfax, take it on a test drive so you know exactly what you're getting. Number 4, I'm going to make sure every single one of our vehicles comes with a minimum 6-month nationwide warranty to protect your investment in case the unexpected happens. And finally, number 5, I'm going to make sure that we don't have a sales staff here. Sales staff means more overhead, means I have to raise my prices. I let our amazing reputation, our 50 pictures of every vehicle, and our one-of-a-kind videos like you're watching right now do all the selling, keeping, again, overhead low and prices even lower. And no matter who you buy from, get you a video, not a picture, a video of the VIN number. My name is Jeremiah Coleman. I own Mobility 316. Got this vehicle right here in my possession. Don't get scammed. Do your due diligence. Don't be afraid to ask for an ID also. If they tell you their name is Jeremiah Coleman, Wichita, Kansas, their ID better say so. Don't be afraid to ask for it. Don't get scammed. Now, also, what we do with that VIN number, run a Carfax on every single one of our vehicles before we purchase it. I highly recommend you do the same. Not only that, I'm the only dealer in the entire country who shows you why I believe in this vehicle enough to invest my own money in it, why you can believe in it as well as I personally go over the Carfax with you. This one shows 2 owners. Scroll down here. You can see this entire Carfax on our website at no charge to you. Carfax shows, let me find it, no salvage, junk, rebuilt, fire, flood, hail, or lemon brands on the title. and they show no total loss. So this is not one of the super risky salvage or rebuilt titles. This is 2 owners, clean title, no accidents or damage, okay? Airbags never deployed, odometer's accurate. As you scroll down here, you can see the service been done on the vehicle. It's also been serviced by our team as well, including brand new tires on the vehicle. And no matter who you buy from, get online, see what people are saying about them. Find us on eBay. 1,922 transactions. Every single one of those transactions has left us positive feedback, 100%. I think that reputation speaks for itself. And if you're like me, hey, when I go out and eat a $10 cheeseburger, I check out reviews and ratings. I'm like you. I work hard for my money. I want the best bang for my buck, even if it's a $10 cheeseburger. If we're going to check out $10 cheeseburger reviews, probably a pretty good idea if you're going to buy a $40,000 mobility vehicle. You get online, you check out reviews and ratings. You know, I hear the horror stories all the time. These consumers tell me how they bought from the private seller or Facebook marketplace, the 2 most dangerous places in the world to buy a vehicle. Number 1, you don't know if they jumped that title. If you don't know what a jump title is, you better figure it out real quick if you're going to buy from one of them. Number 2, you don't get to see thousands of reviews online, so you know you're dealing with someone that's straight up and honest. Number 3, and most importantly, you have no protection from the state, and you can't get a prescription to write off your taxes. You get a prescription for a wheelchair vehicle, wheelchair SUV, you don't pay taxes on the conversion here. That doesn't happen when you buy from one of those two, saving you thousands of dollars in tax alone. Also, the most important thing is that protection from the state. You buy from me, a licensed dealer in the state of Kansas. If I scam you, if I take your money, I don't provide the vehicle, I don't provide the title, you can call the Kansas Department of Revenue, Office of Dealer Licensing. They oversee all the dealers in the state. They will come put me in handcuffs. They will put me in jail if I try and scam you, and it will cost you nothing. You have these same problems with someone off Facebook Marketplace or a private seller. On top of the thousands of dollars you've already been scammed, guess what else you get to do? You get to hire a lawyer at $300 or $400 an hour to chase this person around the country, around the world, and try and get some of your money back. I can already tell you how that's going to go for you. Good luck with that. So, you know, even these low-end dealers I hear about, dealers with 1 and 2 and 3 star reviews, maybe low 4-star, nothing close to our 4.8. You know, these customers or the private sellers or Facebook Marketplace, these buyers end up buying from these cats, end up with vehicles that have a salvage title they weren't told about, flood damage they weren't notified of, you know, major mechanical issues, engine, transmission, electrical, a frame rusted out so bad the vehicle's unsafe to drive and it won't pass inspection. So the bottom line is, if you want to roll the dice on a big purchase like this, boy, good luck. If you want 5-star vehicles with 5-star service from the mobility dealer that has the most 5-star Google reviews of any single mobility dealership in the entire country, with free shipping, free Carfax reports, never any hidden bogus fees, a minimum 6-month nationwide warranty with every single vehicle, and the best price in the country guarantee, reach out to us. We're happy to help. All right, back to the key. We do have the 2 key fobs here inside the vehicle. I am a non-smoker. I can smell smoke from a mile away. No signs of any smoke or unusual odors inside the vehicle. Got the push button start. I like this. If the key is in your pocket or your purse, you don't have to take it out. Just put your foot on the brake, push the start button, fires right up. And we will put a full tank of gas in this. I'm going to do that right after I finish the video. It will come with a full tank of gas. That's no small feat these days. We make sure all of our vehicles come out with a full tank of gas. No check engine lights on, no airbag, no ABS. 53,038 original miles. By the way, still under the factory warranty until 60,000 miles or end of July. So about a month left on the factory warranty for the drivetrain. Also, we do have the 6-month bumper-to-bumper warranty as well. Got your navigation, got your backup camera there, all right. Got your moonroof. Hey, if you don't get out very often, and you know, on a nice day, pop this open, boy, it'll make a big difference. It'll put a smile on your face, or maybe whoever's riding in back, for sure. And I've got the radio works just fine, and I got 4 mechanics that work for me full time. We check all the power mirrors and windows. Okay, we check the power locks, the heat, air, cruise, belts, hoses, suspension, steering, brakes. Take these vehicles on a road test. Check the tires, obviously, because we put 4 brand new tires on this. Replace fluids as necessary. We're very thorough in everything we do, and there's many reasons we do that. 2 of the main reasons are, when this vehicle shows up to your place with our free shipping, I want you to say, that's exactly the vehicle Jeremiah represented in pictures and videos. Number 2, I'm applying for a job right now. I take that very serious. I want you to get out there and look at these lazy ads. 4 or 5 lazy pictures, too cheap to do a Carfax, too lazy to get out here and do a video in this heat. Yeah, you tell me, you look at your pocketbook, your bank account, who do you want to invest in? I can already tell you right now who I would choose. Pretty simple. Underneath the hood, got the little 4-cylinder engine. This is a 1.6, I believe, in these, but these get 30 miles a gallon, over 30 miles a gallon on the highway. Looks and sounds brand new. Everything's great. No signs of any damage, no signs of any leaks. Underneath the vehicle, much the same. Super clean. No signs of any crumpled up metal from an accident. No signs of any oil or fluid leaks. No signs of any water damage from being in a flood. You know, that's the number one mistake consumers make when they purchase vehicles. They assume things. They assume just because it looks nice in pictures, just because it's low miles, they assume it runs and drives good. They assume it's never been in a bad accident or a flood. You know, that's the most dangerous thing you can do. Let me give you an example. I frequently see brand new vehicles at auction that have flood damage. You know what happens? These dealers take on a flood. They're going to rush these vehicles over to auction. They want to dump them off on someone else to make them someone else's problem, all before the flood hits the Carfax report. My point in telling you this, that kind of stuff can happen with a brand new vehicle. You better know what you're getting if you're purchasing a used vehicle. So what I want you to do, I want you to go check out my competition. I don't care if it's a private seller. I don't care if it's another dealer. I want you to ask yourself, do they show you thousands of reviews online so you know you're dealing with someone honest, reputable, and fair? Do they show you a free Carfax report so you know you're buying a vehicle that has a clean title, no major accidents, never been in a flood? They get on the hands and knees on this hot pavement and even bother taking a couple pictures, much less a super detailed video of the undercarriage so you can see no signs of flooding, no signs of an accident. Do they throw in a complimentary 6-month nationwide warranty to protect you? And finally, the roof. You know, often I get up on these vehicles at auction with SUVs. Most people don't get up here and check the roof, but a lot of times the roof is crushed with hail damage, but the sellers don't fix the roof because most people honestly forget, or they're too lazy to get up there and look. You know who's not too lazy to get up there and look? Jeremiah with Mobility 316, and you better do the same. That little roof can get $10,000 or $15,000 to replace real quick. So when it comes to price, reputation, how thorough they are, showing the exact vehicle you're getting, all accompanied by a 6-month nationwide warranty to protect your vehicle with full transparency, please put our resume up next to anybody in the country. You tell me what happens if you end up buying a vehicle you can't get a title for because you're dealing with a shady individual. What happens if the vehicle won't pass inspection in your state because it's got damage to the frame from an accident or a flood? Bottom line is, if you can't get it to pass inspection, if you can't get a title, you just bought a vehicle you can't even drive. So to avoid these options, these problems, and so many more, do 3 things before you buy from anybody. First of all, demand a detailed video like this. Now, I'm not talking some lazy 30-second walk around, folks. This is a major purchase. You're not buying a brand new beach bag off Amazon. This is a big deal. Demand a detailed video. And if they won't do a detailed video for you, what are they hiding from you? Wow, this is way too big of a purchase to even test that, to even find out. Number 2, show me the Carfax. Demand a Carfax report. Yes, Carfax are the most expensive VIN inspection there is, but they're also the most thorough. Do not settle for a cheap knockoff. Demand a Carfax report. And you know, if someone's going to ask you to spend 40 grand on a vehicle, but they won't spend 45 measly bucks on a Carfax, okay, this is where the red flag should be going off, with bells and whistles in your head, like something's not right here. What the heck is going on? Do not overlook that. You know, if they won't spend 45 bucks on a Carfax, do you think they spent $800 on new tires if it needed it? No, because it's too cheap to even do a Carfax. So demand a Carfax. Don't settle for a cheap knockoff. Finally, demand a warranty. And are you really spending this kind of money on a vehicle as is, or saying some lame 30 or 90-day powertrain warranty, all on a handshake from a used car salesman? I want you to think about that for a minute. I almost laughed saying that, but it's you know, we get a 6-month, 6,000 mile factory type bumper to bumper warranty. Good at the shop of your choice, just like the factory type warranty came with this vehicle. Midas, Meineke, Walmart. You take it to local Kia dealer, your local mechanic. You're covered with no deductible. Any shop in the entire country, best warranty in the industry. And we also have long-term extended warranties as well, very affordable. Talk to us about how we can help affordably protect your investment long-term. All right, final portion of the video. I always like to get the vehicles out on the highway, give them some gas so you can hear the engine run, feel the transmission shift through all the gears, and you know, whether you take advantage of our free shipping in the lower 48 states, or if you come and drive this little Kia home, we've done our due diligence, we've made sure that it's roadworthy. See, the steering wheel is nice and straight this entire test drive, no unusual vibration or noise, pops up to 70 miles an hour, no problems, runs and drives darn near like a brand new vehicle. I'm very impressed with it. I know you would be as well if you had a chance to drive it. Also, it's got the blind spot monitor over here. I'll show that to you in just a minute when I can get somebody over here. My blind spot, I got the cruise control. Cruise works good. Also, keep in mind, if you'd ever like to come visit us, we do welcome that, but we 100% require an appointment 365 days a year. Remember, we do not employ a sales staff here, so to help keep overhead low and prices even lower, what I need you to do is take 30 seconds of your life, call us, text us, let us know if you'd like to come in, which vehicle or vehicles you'd like to come in to see. We'll be organized, prepared, and sit you down for a consultation with a mobility professional, not a used car salesman. Also keep in mind, we don't have any hidden fees. Some of these dealers, they put a real nice price online, and what they have in the fine print, a $500 administrative fee, document fee, tag fee, freight, you name it, they got a fee for it. You know what they don't have? Free shipping, free Carfax, free upgraded tie downs. So my blind spot monitor over here let me know there's cats in my blind spot. Got the lane assist as well, helping keep me in my lane. But back to what I was saying, I get all these hidden fees. You know, they don't have a free shipping, free Carfax, free upgraded tie downs, and a 6-month complimentary nationwide warranty. So by the time you end up, you know, getting this vehicle off the lot, you're about $10,000 deeper in all their hidden fees, the warranty, Carfax, all that good stuff than you'd planned on. So quit falling for all these used games and gimmicks. It's there's a name in the business for it. It's called making money on the back end. They intentionally put super nice prices online. The goal is to get you to call or come in to talk to one of their used car salesmen. Then the used car salesman does used car salesman things, and they say things like, these are just fees, everybody has them. No, they don't. So quit falling for these. Don't quit falling for the used car salesman games and gimmicks, and ask about them before you buy, or sit back, relax. Let me take care of all that for you at no additional charge to you. AC works great. I actually had to turn it down. It's freezing me out in here. Excellent air conditioning. And you start coming down the ramp there, nice hard brake, no grinding, no squeaking, no unusual brake noise or vibration. Exactly what we're looking for. Now, if you'd like to give us a call or text is by far the fastest way to get in touch with us. That way, anyone on our staff can see that text come through and respond to you as soon as possible. Call or text 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. My name is Jeremiah. I'm the owner. That's a direct line to reach out to call or text me. Now, I challenge you. I want you to ask our competitors if they are dedicated enough to customer service to get you a direct line to call or text the owner of the company. Or do you have to call in? Let me know someone's in my blind spot because I have my turn signal on. Just got merged over here, but good deal. Awesome safety feature to have. But I want you to ask our competitors if they're committed to customer service enough to give you a direct line to call or text the owner of the company. Do you get to call in and end up in somebody's voicemail, never get a call back, or maybe you do get that live person, that super aggressive, pushy used car salesman who now has your phone number, gonna call you, text you, blow you up 10 times a day, try and pressure you into making a deal. So if you're like me, sick of being treated like just a number by all these companies out there with horrible customer service, and also like me, want to avoid those used car salesman types like the plague, give us that call or text. We'll walk you through start to finish, and I promise you, we're gonna sell this little Kia whether you buy it or not. Absolutely zero pressure sales here. And yes, we do have financing available. We can send an application to your phone or email address. If computers aren't your thing, get in touch with us. We're more than happy to take an application over the phone. And yes, we do take trade-ins even from across the country, whether standard or a mobility vehicle. Get in touch with us. I can explain how that works. A reminder, if you ever want to come in to visit us, we do welcome that, but we do 100% require an appointment 365 days a year. Remember, we do not employ a sales staff here. Help us keep that overhead low, make that appointment. And if you made it to the end of our video, thank you for hanging in there. I know it's a long video, but I know this is a major purchase. I'm trying to be as thorough as I possibly can. And if you'd like to see our entire inventory, one-of-a-kind detailed videos just like this, free shipping, free Carfax reports, never any hidden bogus dealer's fees, dozens of pictures of every single vehicle, all accompanied by a minimum 6-month nationwide warranty, so you know exactly what you're getting from the most thorough and transparent and highly rated mobility dealer in the entire country. Check out our website 24 hours a day at www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. And as always, thank you so much for checking us out at Mobility316, where mobility is affordable. Give us that call or text today. We really appreciate you checking us out and giving us a chance to earn your business. And I hope you have yourself a wonderful day.